Hey everyone, welcome to Software Engineer 101. Today we are going to cover installing Microsoft's IDE Visual Studio and running a basic application. So let's start with opening up your web browser, and in the URL type in visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. Once you are here, we want to download the free version of Visual Studio. They call it Community. Let that executable download. Once it's finished, run it. You'll be prompted by Windows to continue the install. Click Yes. When prompted here, click Continue. Let Visual Studio Installer install. Now when it asks you what packages you want to download, let's start off with just doing the .NET desktop development and click Install. This might take a little bit, so let it do its thing, and we'll be back here in a minute. Alright, now that it's done installing, let it spin up here. You can create a Microsoft account or Azure account if you want. For now, I'm just going to skip this. I prefer dark. It's kind of what the newer developers, the younger generation uses. I make fun of all the older developers at work who use light themes. Alright, to create a new project, we are going to click on it right here, create a new project. We are going to create a basic console application in C#. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to keep the default name console app. Do the .NET 6 long support. Alright, here we go. I'm going to control scroll, zoom in a little bit so you can see this better. So currently this is the layout of our console application. Up here on the right, I like my Solution Explorer to be over here. The solution is the head, think of it as the main file that Visual Studio uses to read and open a project. Inside of that you can have many projects, and currently in this project we have a C# application class called program.cs. Right now there's only one line of code in here. This is just a comment, default comment that Microsoft put in, and this one line of code here, console.writeLine hello world, will print out a string saying hello world on the console app. So since it pre-populated this for us, let's go ahead and run it. You can press F5 or click Run up here where it says Console App 1 or whatever you named your project. Give it a second to compile and run. Here is the console, and we should see Hello World right here. Press any key to close this window. So we can come in here and change this to wherever we want. I'm going to say Software Engineer 101. I'm going to press F5. So there we go. So today we just basically installed Microsoft's IDE Visual Studio 2022 community version, and we ran a basic console application, printing out a string to the console. If this video is straightforward and you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.